how things have changed. Capacity crowds, that familiar cacophony of sound, the mass chorus of emotions, just some of the familiar norms on any given match day. All these things we used to take for granted, but as the old saying goes, only appreciated once they're gone. Through the last 25 years, we have prided ourselves on recreating the ultimate footballing experience for our fans worldwide, PES being the platform for them to share in their zenith. Refining the most fundamental of all elements in football, the one-on-one, the very mantra of eFootball. Andres Iniesta is without doubt one of the true legends of football, and we are blessed in that he plies his trade in Japan these days. Surely incorporating his movements, as well as the thought processes behind his wizardry, would be an unmissable step in elevating eFootball to the dizzy heights of next-gen entertainment.
Aparte, creo que el que tiene el balón siempre tiene ventaja, porque es el que domina el balón y el que sabe lo que va a hacer. El defensa aquí solo puede intuir o pensar lo que voy a hacer para quitarme el balón. Está sobre el espacio que tienes y el tiempo de la decisión que tomas. El regate, ¿no? Jugar con el engaño e intentar pues hacer.
Than a man who for so long was Andres Iniesta's teammate at club and national level, who, like him, is amongst the...
Entonces tú lo que haces es falta, porque lo que haces es, en vez de tocar la pelota, tocas en la pierna del jugador. Tú lo que tienes que aprovechar es siempre en el momento en que ellos tocan la pelota, si tienen un mal toque, que la pelota se les distancia más de lo habitual del pie, ahí es donde tienes la posibilidad de poder sacarle el balón limpiamente, sin hacer falta, que al final...
Iniesta and Piqué, two men who ruled both Europe and the world. Their input will surely take the element of one-on-one in eFootball to an all-new level. Realistic player movement and responses are both crucial ingredients in creating our new one-on-one system. How did we do it? Through the use of technology known as motion matching. Motion matching involves creating a massive range of new animations, showing just how players react differently depending on factors such as running speed and ball position. These animations are then cut and perfectly matched to each in-game situation, recreating every moment down to a T. And the results have been staggering. We have created a one-on-one system that is incredibly thrilling and, most importantly, realistic. We want eFootball to be a thing for all fans of football, and for that it was imperative that users on all platforms can take on each other. eFootball will be made available on a wide range of devices, with a view to soon making it a fully cross-platform title. After all, why should you be bound by the confines of your device? Why can't a mobile user play against a console user just by plugging in a controller? eFootball is for everyone.
Neymar, puro talento, extraordinario, tremendo pase, puede estar, Messi, 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 ¡golazo!
eFootball.
So, guess you're all desperate to find out.